step, update Contact Us page. Click Find Tool. Replace the number. Copy and paste the name of the location. Also the full address. And we're done at step 5. Now in step 6, configuration of domain search with WHMCS. Click the Find tool. In WHMCS, select Integration Code in the Utilities section. Copy the domain ordering code. You can paste it in Notepad. Copy the link and paste it. Copy and paste. We need to configure the domain into WHMCS. Here you can select your domain provider. After this domain search work, in changing dummy text, we will do it later. We will first update the WHMCS links. Links means login, sign up, and other links. Click Find Tool. Copy link address, then replace the link. Remove this line. Copy link address, then paste it here. Replace the number. Copy and paste the link. Now, We will repeat the process in putting link in the register button. Copy and paste the link again in the code. Repeat the process again in the Create New Account button. Ctrl+F for Find tool. Then replace the address by pasting the link you copied. Click the Find tool or Ctrl+F for the code you want to modify. Repeat. Paste the link that you copied. Same process for other pages. Find and change. Now, we will do the 7th step. Change theme dummy text. We will use the Find tool to easily find the text we want to change. Use the same method. Use any hosting website or Google for hosting-related informations. And update your information on your theme. You can also use ChatGPT for text info. Use Find tool to find and change theme text. Delete dummy text and update yours. Copy. And paste the text I copied earlier. Do the same process in other text. This time we will change the page title. Follow the same process for other page title change. Now we change all dummy text. Website ready for host. Zip the files. Step 9. Upload into hosting. Follow the procedure. Now your website is live. Open your domain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.